Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. I have been solving math problems that appear in this book, the official SAT study guide. There are 8 exams in it. Each exam has 3 math sections. If you don't have this book, buy one immediately if you're preparing for the SAT. As I have said several times before, there is no such thing as preparing for the SAT without owning this book. That's where the real exams are. Forget about all the mumbo jumbo that is being sold in the market to help you practice for the exam. If you want to practice for the exam, use the real bloody thing. Don't use the fake exams that are put out by other companies. Obviously, I can't tell you their names. But in my opinion, practicing on the real exam is the way to go. The problem that I'm about to do appears in exam number 7, section number 5, page 794, number 13. Let's take a look at it. I do private tutoring, personal private tutoring, one-to-one or small group. I'm located in the state of Connecticut. If you're interested in hiring my services, send me an email go to the website at www.prep4sat.com, or if you wish to purchase the DVDs that contain the solutions to all the math problems, send me an email telling me which section number and which exam that you need the DVD for, and I'll take care of it. Let's take a look at this problem. I am told that 4x equals 6u, which I'm told equals 5v, which I'm told equals to 7w. Which of the following is true? So we are given the 4 quantity in different arrangement from the least to the largest, and our job is to find the right order. So let's do it then. Take care of the caps, the blue one, the red one, and the green one. I'm going to show you how I solve this problem, how I would solve this problem. People will tell you to plug in numbers if you want to. You could plug in numbers for x, u, v, and w, and based on that number, something that works here, and find the order. You could do that, and I probably will do that afterwards. Let's take a look at it. Look, if 4 times some quantity is equal 5 times some other quantity, if it takes 5 of these guys to equal 4 of these guys, that tells me right away that this v is got to be smaller than x. That's what I gather from that. And then if I were to continue, and if I tell you that it takes 6 of these guys u to equal 5 of v, that tells me that v has to be greater than u. And finally, I am told that it takes 7 of these guys to equal 6 of these. So whatever this quantity is, only 6 times that amount equals 7 times that amount. That tells me that u has to be bigger than u. U has to be bigger than w. So the answer choices, I haven't looked at them yet, but the correct answer choice is going to be either this or this in the other order. Here we have arranged from the largest to the smallest, or from the smallest to the largest. One of these two has to be the right answer. Well, they are both right answers. One of these two versions has to be as the right answer in the choices that they give you. Oh, there you go, the answer is D. The only answer choice that starts with W is D. That's it, I'm done. That's all it is. Like I said before, you could plug in numbers and figure out the answers from there. You could do that too, and if you want to do that, that's fine. But that's another way of doing it. Again, the logic is very simple. If 5 of these guys equal 4 of these, then of course x has to be more than v. And if 6 of u has to equal 5 of v, that tells me v has to be bigger than u. And if 7 of w's are equal to 6 of u, that tells me that u is bigger than w. That's all. Send me email, post comments on the YouTube. If you wish to get my clips right away as soon as I post them, subscribe to the channels and send me email at prep4sat.com if you wish to hire my services for personal tutoring, either one-to-one or small groups if a bunch of your friends wants to take it together, or if you wish to buy the DVDs, or if you wish to purchase the books. The reason I say books is because of course you need this book, and the other book that I use when I do the private tutoring is a vocabulary book. You have to have a good vocabulary book, and the one that I use, one that I recommend, is this one. It's called Vocabulary Energizers. This plus 3 more, which you will find them on the website as you go there. Thank you.